Welcome to Super Math Help 24. We want to use this question to relate sum to infinity of a GP and a recurring decimal. Is there really a relationship between those two? Let's dive into this question and find out. I have a problem written out already. Find the sum of the series 1 over 25 plus 1 over 250 plus 1 over 2500 to infinity. All right, now this is my question. 1 over 25 over 100 250 plus 100 2500 plus continue. Now I'm going to change this to decimal. This in decimal is 0.04. This is 0.004. This is 0.0004 that way, meaning that this could be written, if you add this, 0.0444 continue, meaning that this is simply 0.04 recurring. So let x be equals to 0.04 recurring. We'll call this equation 1. Now multiply both sides by 10. So I'll have 10 times x is equals to 10 times 0.04 recurring. 10, this will give me 10x is equals to, this will move this, 0.4 recurring. I'll call this equation 2. Why did I multiply by 10? I could have multiplied by any power of 10. Could have multiplied by 10, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 1000, just to get a little bit different from what I have in equation 1 and make for easy subtraction, which is the next step. Now the next step is this. I'm going to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So this will be 10x. 10x will be 10x minus x is equals to 0.4 recurring minus 0.04 recurring. Now when you subtract this, you're going to have 9x is equals to 0.4. The recurring part from this subtraction will cancel out. Now divide both sides by 9, you have that x is equals to 0.4 over 9. Now to write this as a proper fraction, I'll multiply both sides by 10. Multiply this by 10, you have 4. Multiply this by 10, you have 90. Now if you reduce this, you have 2 over 45, meaning that when you add this, you get 45. Now we can also solve this problem using sum to infinity of a GP. The sum to infinity of a GP is a over the first time minus 1 minus r. Here r has to be less than 1, and r will not be equal to 0. So a is the first time here, so my first time here is 1 over 25, and my r is subsequent term divided by the previous term. So this will be 1 over 25 divided by 1 over 25 divided by 1 over 250. Sorry, 1 over 250 divided by this divided by this divided by 1 over 25. Sorry about that mistake. So you'll notice that your r is, if you do this division, 1 over 10. Now if I substitute this here, and I will have my a's the first time 1 over 25 divided by, open a bracket, this is 1 minus my r is 1 over 10. Alright, this will give me 1 over 25 divided by, this is 10 over 10 minus 1 over 10. This is 1 over 25 divided by, this is 9 over 10, and that will be 1 over 25 times 10 over 9. Now 5 here is 5, 5 here is 2. So my final answer will be 2 over 45. Just like you got it here. So there's a relationship between recurring decimals and sum to infinity. Thanks for being a part of this video. Click the subscription button so that you will always be notified each time we upload a video. Thank you.